Hey guys, I'm Nick. I'm going to be your colleague for the next 8 weeks here in pharmacology. To give you a little bit of background about myself, I'm taking this class for hopefully PA school. I'm going to be applying this application cycle, and hopefully this class will give me a nice introduction and groundwork to build off of both in PA school and my job. Right now I'm working as an emergency room technician over at a level 1 trauma center, so I get to see a lot, I get to do a lot, and I get to learn a lot. Part of that is seeing many different pharmaceuticals that are used, and I like to Google them and try to understand them, but hopefully again this would be a nice formal introduction to pharmacology. Another thing too is I graduated from Illinois State. I live in the Midwest, specifically in the Chicagoland area. I graduated from Illinois State with a Bachelor's of Science in Medical Laboratory Science. I enjoyed working in the lab for a little bit. I worked there for about a year, and then I decided that I liked bedside more, and then I got to shadow a PA and enjoyed seeing how he interacted with the rest of the medical team and the teamwork that was involved with being a PA, and I enjoyed that type of role, and that's where I see myself personally. Right now, more personal things is I like to play board games a lot. I actually have one right here. It's called King of Tokyo. It's pretty much a King of the Hill style board game where you roll dice and you just try to see whoever gets the most points. It's a lot of fun. Other than that, I'm also volunteering, or I did volunteer before COVID. That's specifically why I'm taking a lot of these classes online now. Hopefully I did some classes online and they're fine, but I do prefer in-person classes just because you get more interaction with the teacher and your colleagues. But that being said, I used to volunteer over at the Museum of Science and Industry, which was a lot of fun because, again, I live in the Chicagoland area, and MSI is a huge museum, and I volunteered over at their human biology wing, where I would kind of teach people and introduce young people into human biology. So that could be something as simple as what specific organs do and what their names are, maybe some different muscle groups and things like that, to more complex. Sometimes I get pre-nursing and even pre-PA and pre-med, so I might talk about like the coagulation cascade and the extrinsic, intrinsic, and common pathways, and even go into more depth into how what I see in my everyday and being an ER tech. I like to apply everything that I learn. So hopefully that's what I'll get out of this class. I'm enjoying the class so far. I got to read a couple chapters, saw the videos, which I really enjoyed. And I'm going to enjoy listening to you all. I've seen some of the discussion posts, and a lot of you seem like you're really committed to this, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you all and your unique backgrounds. Thank you very much.